Hey fifth graders, I have finished reading Bartholomew and the OOBLECK, so now, naturally, it is time to make our own OOBLECK. I have cornstarch, probably have some in your pantry, water, measuring cups, and a spoon. And so I put about 1.5 cups of cornstarch in my bowl. Seems like a lot. Do not do this without your parents' permission. And then you're going to slowly add a cup of water until it has pretty much a honey kind of consistency. This is my first time making the mixture, so we'll see how we do. Chopping my head off for a little bit, and I'm going to slowly add my cup of water to the cornstarch that's already in our bowl. And we're looking for a honey kind of consistency. So I think the stirring process may take a while, so have a little patience. Ooh, it already feels weird. Daisy, this goes out to you. Now, what we will begin talking about and your activities for next week will focus on, we are talking about the 3 states of matter, and that is solid, liquid, and gas. And most objects that we have to deal with in life fall into one of those 3 categories quite nicely. Like this table is a solid, we are solids, this glass is a solid, and then with the liquid, the water, for example, is a liquid. And so the difference between those 2 things is that the solids have a definite size and shape, and the liquid has a definite size, but it doesn't have a definite shape. There's not something that's water shaped. It's the shape of whatever that container is. So this is getting harder and harder to stir, but we're getting there. And so OOBLECK, which we learned about in our Dr. Seuss book, it's like our slime that we're just so fond of in the 5th grade. And what do you guys think? Would it fall in the category of a solid or a liquid? Why don't you pause for a moment and discuss? Do you think? All right, so our white OOBLECK wasn't that exciting. I didn't have green food coloring. I did have blue. So we're gonna mix in a little color, and then I will show you how this does not fit into our solid category or our liquid category perfectly. It fits into both. So this is the messy part. Remember, you need permission from your parents to do this. Okay, it was a little too runny. I think I let it sit for a little bit. So I'm gonna mix it again and make sure to grab it before it totally gets stirred in. So I'm gonna grab this. And when you hold it tight in your hand, it's a solid. Oh my gosh. And then when you let it go, check it out. Becomes a liquid. Super gross, super messy. Teaches us about the states of matter and how not every material in the world fits perfectly into solid, liquid, or gas, but we will continue to practice that a little bit more next week. So this was our OOBLECK, and if you didn't listen to the Bartholomew and the OOBLECK reading, make sure to check it out. Oh, it's so gross. So it's solid in my hand for a second, and then it goes back to its liquid state. All right, thanks for watching. Go wash your hands.